Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your Instagram story view is not showing, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, when you are facing this problem, go to the Play Store and search here Instagram, and so if any update is available, then update it and check the problem. If after updating and the problem is remain, then next is long press on the Instagram app and go to the app info icon, click on it and clear cache and clear storage. After clearing cache and storage, again log in your Instagram account and check the problem. If it persists, then close all the tab and restart your device. After restarting your device, again check the app. If it is persist, then next is check your internet connection. If your internet connection is find any issue, then fix the internet problem and check the problem. If it persists, then next is contact Instagram support team. I hope this video will for you and solve your problem. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.